Analytical chemistry is an important branch of chemistry that focuses on the identification and quantitative determination of chemical substances. In daily life, analytical chemistry is widely applied in the food or beverage industry to ensure product quality, safety, and consistency. We will focus on Chapter 3, Apparatus, Technique, and Reagents, by demonstrating how acidity in food or beverage sample, such as vinegar or fruit juice, can be determined using acid-base titration. This analysis helps ensure that food products meet acceptable acidity levels and are safe for consumption.
Next, I'm going to present about theory. So acid-base titration is the quantitative analysis of the reaction of an acid with a base. An acid-base reaction is a type of chemical reaction. Acid-base theory defines acids as hydrogen ion donors and bases as either accepting hydrogen ions or donating hydroxide ion. In this technique, bases of no concentration react with the presumed acid of a different concentration until a neutralization point is reached. In the chemical reaction of neutralization, a base react with the presumed acid according to general chemical equation, which is acid react with the base to produce salt and water. To determine whether the reaction has completed, an indicator is used. The indicator shows a color change as a certain page range, thus signaling the end of the reaction. For the successful result, appropriate equipment, techniques, and material can be used.
Principle. The principle of acid-base titration is based on neutralization. When a standard base solution such as sodium hydroxide is added to an acidic food or beverage sample, the acid reacts with the base in stoichiometric ratio. The titration is continued until the endpoint is reached, which detected by a color change of the indicator. At this point, the amount of base added chemically equivalent to the amount of acid present in the sample. By measuring the volume of base used and knowing its concentration, the acidity of the sample can be calculated accurately. Application. The determination of acidity using acid-base titration widely applied in the food and beverage industry. It is commonly used to analyze products such as vinegar, fruit juices, carbonated drinks, and fermented foods. Controlling acidity is important because it affects the taste and flavor of foods, product stability and shelf life, and also consumer safety and quality standards. This method helps manufacturers ensure that products meet regulatory requirements and maintain consistent quality before being released to the market.
For methodology, we have 3 parts, which is apparatus, reagent, and procedure. For apparatus, we have used burette, pipette, conical flask, retort stand and clamp, and white tile. For reagent, we have used sodium hydroxide to standard base solution, food or beverage sample, which is vinegar or fruit juice, and indicator to detect the endpoint. For procedure, we have used burette to rinse and fill with sodium hydroxide solution, and volume of the food or beverage sample is pipette into a conical flask. 2 or 3 drops of the volume of sodium hydroxide used to record it.
On this slide, I will explain the benefits. First one, ensures food safety and quality control. Correct acidity level helps prevent the growth of harmful microorganisms. Legal acidity testing ensures that food products meet safety standards and are safe for consumption. Second, help maintain consistent taste and product quality. Controlling acidity ensures consistent flavor, texture, and appearance. This is important for customer satisfaction and brand reliability. Third, suitable for routine and repeat analysis. The method can be carried out frequently without excessive cost or effort. This supports continuous monitoring of food quality. The fourth one, reduce chemical wastage. Accurate measurement prevent excessive use of reagents and food samples. This improve efficiency and reduce operational costs. 5. Enhance consumer safety and confidence. Accurate acidity control ensures safe and high quality products. This builds consumer trust and confidence in food products. The last one is requires only basic laboratory apparatus. Only common equipment such as burettes, pipettes, and indicators are needed. This makes the method easy to perform without advanced instruments.
Next, I'm gonna talk about example of result. So during the tradition, the color change from colorless to pale pink was observed at the end point. For example data, volume of sodium hydroxide used 12.5 ml, and for concentration of sodium hydroxide was 0.1 mol. Based on the tradition data, the acidity of the sample can be calculated. The result confirmed that the food of drain sample is acidic and with the acceptable acidity range for consumption.
Okay, for the conclusion is, to sum up, analytical chemistry is essential to guaranteeing the consistency, quality and safety of food and beverage product. Acid-based titration can be used to accurately determine the acidity of common sample, such as vinegar or fruit juice. By using the proper equipment, method and reagent, this approach yield trustworthy quantitative result that aid in confirming whether could satisfy acceptable acidity requirement for safe ingestion. As a result, the use of analytical chemistry in the food industry not only helps with quality control, but also safeguard consumer health by making sure that goods meet safety requirements.
Okay, on this slide, I will explain these three pictures. The first picture is lab apparatus. The second one is titration process. And the last one is the result of the titration.